I thought I would take a moment to introduce you to my hobby that I am turning into yet another side hustle. It is working with resin. And my space here, that's what it is. This is after I'd already poured my resin tray. And let me tell you, this place was a disaster. It was a catch-all. I spent hours cleaning it up and ignored the chair. That was Dutton's handiwork. He thought my chair needed a makeover. But now, on to the rest of the video. Hello, welcome back. I see what Uber Eats has for me. Lowe's. No, we're not doing Lowe's. Anyhow, wait, Giant Eagle, Route 88. Going to Finleyville, 2 items. 16 miles total, no, not for $17. But anyhow, so I'm getting back into one of my other side hustles. That's what I'm about. I'm Grandma Dasher, side hustle queen. Just saying. I hadn't touched resin in about 5 or 6 months. Why? And I don't have photos of this part, but my desk was a mountain. And dust everywhere because I didn't have the air purifiers. Daisy produces so much dust in her fur, it's not even funny. I have to get my air purifiers running, and I need new filters, and I never was able to get the new filters. So I got them now. They've been running for a week now. Perfect. So I went and organized my desk, as you can see here. So I started my day with a resin pour. I'm making a Halloween tray. And so I spent this morning pouring resin, putzing around and doing other things also. And, oh, by the way, I didn't open up the closet door because that's not completely organized yet. Most of my resin stuff, anyhow, is in those drawers that you saw. But we're going to go make some money. All the apps are launched right now. You know, I gotta fund my resin obsession somehow, right? So let's go look for our first order for today. I did get my first order. My bad, I haven't filmed in a while and I forgot to screenshot it. It is on Uber Eats. It was $9.07, going 6 miles, but 3 of those miles is from where I accepted the order to Eaton Park, because I'm picking up at Eaton Park. I was going there anyhow. I was going there with being like 600 yards from the Eaton Park where I usually sit to wait for orders. So really it's like a 3 or 3.5 mile run for $9.07. Hi. Uber Eats for Bo?
Okay, let me check.
Thank you. Order number 2, DoorDash this time. This order requires a PIN. Well, on that drop off, I've delivered to this woman before. She is she's got cancer. She's undergoing chemo and stuff like that. And I had to go to the other door. And then her cat slips out. And I felt so bad. She blames herself, you know. She couldn't believe that she slipped out that easy. And she says, she's not going to come to you. She'll come back eventually. But I didn't want to let it go. So I coaxed the cat to me. I caught her. And this woman was like, oh my God, I can't believe you got her. And thanked me over and over again. So I did my good deed for the day. Okay, we got this route of delivery through Walmart. Estimated to take about 2 hours, $54.34. You know, not an outstanding Sunday so far, but not bad either. I'm at $86 and some change after I finish this in approximately 4 hours time. Still puts me over $20 an hour. So, I mean, I can't complain. I can't. So let's go to Walmart. We're about 2 miles from Walmart. Grab these orders and let's get moving. This will put me at home just in time to check on my resin, do the next coat, and get that curing, get something food, and maybe even come out during the evening. We've got that. These few orders. And a pal in the front seat. I am hoping I don't get rained on. The weather said there might be a slight chance of a stray shower.
Turn right onto Rostraver Square.
So I'm hoping it
You'll turn right.
is definitely very stray.
Grandma Dasher rolling with the sunrise, spark brew lighting up the phone, packages waiting down the back road, 7 stops before she's home. Grandma Dasher loading up the backseat, boxes stacked and ready to go. Walmart spark route on the screen now, miles of country roads to roam. Driveway gravel, morning quiet, front porch waiting down the lane. Leave it there and snap the picture back inside the car again. One delivery at a time today, rolling through the countryside. Leave it on the porch and snap that photo, then it's back into the drive. Groceries, boxes, porch lights shining, every stop another map. Grandma Dasher smiling steady, running that Walmart spark route back. Sometimes it's milk and bread for supper, sometimes just a package small. Sometimes it's a dozen different porches waiting down a county road call. GPS turns down the hillside, morning sun across the fields. stop, another snapshot, every mile another wheel. One delivery at a time a day, rolling through the country.
Delivered the whole entire route. I'm starved. And we're heading home. I need to check on my resin tray that I'm working on and get some food and decide from there if I'm going back out or not. I'm not sure. We'll see. You'll know here pretty shortly whether I go back out and do any more deliveries tonight or not. I know the Subaru here, she is a little bit thirsty. I'm going to have to get some gas before I go back and do any more deliveries. For right now, main priority is check on the tray and eat something. Okay, let's pull this off. Let's see what we've got going on. A couple little indentations, couple little bubbles. It's cool. But I don't think it's fully cured, but I think it's okay enough for me to put my sticker on it. These I can take out of the mold. They're going to need some trimming anyhow before I do the next layer. I'm going to leave it sit in the mold for a few more minutes. Then after I get something to eat, ooh, perfect little gem. After I get something to eat, then I'll revisit this. But this is what I'm working on tonight. And then we'll see if I go back out or not. Well, this is the finished tray. I ended up changing the sticker on it to something else. But I also did not end up going back out. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you give me a thumbs up. And there is my AI staging of the tray. And check out my other channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching and riding along today. Every dash, every mile, it all adds up. Subscribe if you're chasing that hustle too. And I will see you in the next one.